Hi, my YouTube family. This is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today, we're going to have a wonderful time together. Hi, today we're going to learn a new stitch. Now, this calls Fisherman's rib. As you can see, this is very tight rib stitch. See this? But this is I found a very easy way to do this. I'm going to teach you this Fisherman's rib, a very easy way. Now, this is the first row. So I needed all this, but I'm going to show you from the right side. So right side, what you need to do is the first, this cast on stitch. I have, I think, about 31. So you need to take the multiples of 2 and then 1 extra. So I took 31 here. This is the first one, is a slip over. The second one is going to be, this is the right side. Bring the thread around and a purl stitch. Now bring the thread around, a knit stitch. Now bring the thread around, a purl. Now the design, we're going to always start from the wrong side, and this is the right side. The right side is 1 knit and 1 purl. So you're going to follow just the pattern, okay? So once you get a pattern, you're going to follow that. So here I'm going to do 1 purl and 1 knit, and this is really a good design to put it on your sweater, cardigan, kid sweater, male sweater, any kind like that. So the front is 1 knit, 1 purl, and the back is where we're going to start the design, actual design. So when you have your multiples of 2 and an extra 1 cast on stitches, then you're going to do the first row all knit stitch, first row. Then the second row you're going to start, and this, I'm almost done here. I'll show you what to do. And the second row, we just have few more to go. Is a purl and then a knit. That's a very easy and beautiful looking, okay? So if you're looking for something easy to knit and plus it looks, so last one we're going to do a knit. So this is the first, but when you start your first row all knit stitch. Now the second row is where we're going to start the design actually. So after the design, when you have the right side, the 1 knit 1 purl like I saw you, the second row, the first is just slip over and the second one is a knit stitch, okay? And the third one, you bring the thread around and just slip over, and then bring the thread around and a knit stitch, then bring the thread around and a slip over. So this is the wrong side, and this is the one we're going to start after all the knit stitch, okay? So in this side, you're never going to do a purl stitch. You're going to do a knit stitch and a slip over for the purl, okay? And on the right side, you're going to do 1 knit 1 purl. So here's a slip over and a knit stitch, and bring the thread around, slip over for the purl and a knit stitch, bring the thread around, slip over for the pearl and a knit stitch. Bring the thread over, slip over for the pearl and a knit stitch and a knit stitch. When I say this over and over again, it reminds me of a story that when we were little and we didn't want to eat, so grandma used to tell a story, and she used to tell that there's this special kind of bugs came in the village, and the villagers had a lot of rice, paddy rice in the field. So these bugs coming. So last one we're gonna do a pearl. Okay, so this side I already showed you, so that's how it is. This is a Fisherman's rib stitch in a very simple way, because I have seen in YouTube people are sewing so hard way that you cannot learn, but this is the easiest way. Now if it helps you anymore, I'll do this side again. So this just one slip over. So while we used to eat, and grandma would tell a story saying, well, one of the bug came, this one we have to do the pearl again because it fell over, and this side we're going to just slip it over and pull to make it tight, and then we're going to bring the thread around on a pearl, and then I'm going to take the thread around and a knit, and then bring the thread around and a pearl. This time we don't slip over. The last other side we're going to slip over, but this time we're going to do pearl and a knit. So her stories used to say, one bug came, take one grain of rice, and then went away. And I was to ask grandma, how long the bug's gonna take the rice? And she'll say, until all the rice finish. Okay, is that gonna be a long time? And she say, yes, it's gonna be a long time, but you still have a lot of food to eat. So while we eat, and then when the eating finish, then we'll ask grandma, is the bug finished taking the rice? And she said, no, we'll come back tomorrow again. And we would wait for the story impatiently for the bug to come back again for the rice. Last one is a knit, and the other side last one is a pearl. So this is your strong, very tight, thick Fisherman's rib stitch. It looks very beautiful though, very beautiful. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share, and I'll see you with many more. Bye bye. Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.